Welcome. I'm really glad you're here. If you'd like, take this time to sit and meditate with me. You don't need experience. You don't need to do this perfectly. For the next few minutes, we're simply slowing down together. Wherever you are, allow your body to settle. Feel the ground beneath you. Let yourself be supported right here, right now. I'm sitting by the East Fork Lewis River, and we'll let the steady rhythm of the water guide our breath. There's nothing to fix, nothing to achieve, just a moment to pause. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let your shoulders drop. Relax your jaw. Unclench your hands. We'll begin with a simple breathing pattern. In through the nose for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and release through the nose for 4 seconds. I'll guide you at first. Let's begin. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. One more time together. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Now allow the breath to continue at this rhythm on your own. Notice the sensation of the breath moving in through your nose. Cool on the inhale, slightly warmer on the exhale. Let the breath be smooth and quiet, like the river nearby. Steady, consistent, always flowing. As you breathe, your mind may begin to wander. This is normal. It happens to everyone. When you notice your thoughts drifting to plans, memories, or worries, pause gently. There's nothing wrong. Simply acknowledge it, and then guide your attention back to the breath. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. You're not trying to stop your thoughts. You're practicing returning to the present moment. That return is the meditation. If it helps, imagine each breath like a small wave. It rises, it pauses, it falls, and then it's gone. No breath needs to be perfect. If your breathing ever feels tight or rushed, soften it. Shorten it slightly if you need to. Comfort always comes first. Continue breathing. In, hold, out. Now gently widen your awareness. Notice the sounds around you. The movement of water, the wind, birds, or quiet. You don't need to focus on any one sound. Let them come and go. If a sound pulls your attention away, that's okay. Let it be part of this moment. Then return to your breath. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. You may notice sensations in your body. Warmth, coolness, tension, ease. There's no need to change anything. Just observe. If your mind begins to race, try this simple reminder. I'm here right now. You can repeat it silently if you like. I'm here right now. Let the river remind you that movement doesn't mean chaos. Flow doesn't require force. You're allowed to be still, even while life continues around you. If thoughts arise, imagine placing them on a leaf. Set the leaf gently on the river. Watch it drift away. No judgment, no effort. Just return to the breath. In, hold, out. We'll stay here together for a few more moments. Feel your body breathing. Feel the present moment holding you. Nothing else is required of you right now. As we begin to close, slowly deepen your breath. Notice the space around you, the light, the sounds. Gently wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders if it feels good. Take one final slow breath in through the nose and a long, easy breath out. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. You can return to this breath anytime, anywhere. Thank you for meditating with me. Namaste.